Okay, this is the first full-fledged test. Got everything in, buttoned up. The one thing I don't have connected right now is I don't have the air nozzle actually installed. I had it installed, but I believe I still got a little bit of alignment issues because part of the time the beam is coming through the center of it and part of the time it's not, which means that we still got a little bit of work to do on the alignment. However, I will be turning on the air and let it circulate in there a little bit while this project is running. And that in mind, you may hear the air compressor kick on here pretty soon. I'm also going to be turning on my exhaust fan, which a little bit of a test I did a while ago seems to be really, really good. So let me turn these things on. You can tell by far the biggest sound you're going to hear is all the air movement in here. The machine is extremely quiet and very good. So this is, in my opinion, probably the most important project I'm ever going to do. So here we go. First we'll just show the bounding box. And boy, do I like being able to do something this big. So I'm going to tell it to start, and here we go. Notice in the very background you can see the laser firing up every time. Right now we're doing an engraving part. Just to give you an idea of speed, this is currently running in engraving at 150 millimeters per second. And just so everybody doesn't get totally bored watching this simply move back and forth, I am going to stop the video now. I'll start it up again near the end. and show you the finished product. Okay, it's been going for a little while now. It's getting close to being done. You can hear my air compressor in the background. That's has nothing to do with the laser. So as this finishes up, let me maybe zoom in just a little bit here. One thing that's interesting there's 3 layers to this project. One is the outlining that it's doing right now, the cutting, and then there were 2 engraving layers. Interestingly, I've never seen this happen before. It cut part of the cut layer first and then went ahead and did the 2 engraved layers, and now it's coming back to finish the cut layer. In other words, it's split up one of the layers into 2 segments for efficiency, I suppose. I've never seen that and didn't know that it was capable of doing that, but I'm going to have to investigate that a little bit further. I think that's pretty good. Okay, it should be finishing up. I think we just have that top bar to go and we're done. And returns to home. And with all my heart, I do sincerely thank you, Bart. You've done a phenomenal job for us. I know everybody in the community is appreciating it, and me more than you could ever know. Thanks so much.